I'll pour it. Want me to pour it?
That one.
Okay.
He likes to say your names. Did you get your belly all wet? You can pour some on his head. He likes that.
Yeah.
Yeah, just don't get too much in his face. Like do in the back of his head.
Butt. Do you want butt?
Yeah, you are in the bath.
She barely got him that time.